out and about in the C63s, so we can certainly do a bit of this, which is quite relaxing, let's say. It puts you in a state of mind which we all love. But yeah, I think it's going to be time to have some fun now and actually enjoy the cars a bit. So that's what we're going to do. We're now heading out to some very cool roads, I hope, and just going to enjoy this car before the car's going to get, let's say, rebuilt. Later on in this video, we're going to start doing some of the stuff ourselves. Most of you probably absolutely hate rain, but honestly, in a car like this, it just is a lot of fun, simply because of the fact that you can go sideways. But the good part about it is you literally don't destroy all your tires, and that's just lovely. It's just so nice and easy in this car. Literally, C63s for me, still one of the very, very best cars money can buy. Loving it. Literally every single bit of driving this car. Haven't driven it enough, to be honest, but that's what we're going to change now. Okay, everything is now set up for some fun, my dear friends. Got a bit of a POV action going on here as well. I think that should just work. Okay, this road actually looks quite promising, but maybe the way up and not the way down. So check nav, 250 meters we need to take. A bit of a corner. Let's see what we get up to. I'm excited. I'm really down for this. Okay, now we need to take a lift, I think. Let's get it. C63, honestly, stock power is more than enough for whatever you want to do, especially compared to the E92 M3 when I drove that before. We're now entering some twisty, nice roads where there's actually some, let's call it, foresting work. But we need to check everything out first to make sure everything is nice and safe. Lewis already going a bit sideways. As you can see, it's very slippery. This is what we do for you guys. Stand in the cold rain, it's like 1 degree, try and get some cool content. Just beautiful. The car is so good for it. Just boys being boys, that's what it's all about, just having some fun. Very nice, very nice. Beautiful, very nice. Woo! The weather is getting so bad. It's quite cool looking, but like it's just honestly a bit of a pain in the ass, because now it's like half snowing and we just wanted a bit of rain, because with summer tires in a bit of snow it gets very slippery very quickly. But let's just, oh god, that one was very solid, if I can say so myself. Okay, let's get to the next location, guys. Arriving at one of our favorite roads now. It's getting proper cold, which is not the nicest thing, but it's fine. Just gonna slide into it. Actually got a bit more grip there than expected, not gonna lie. And now enjoy the road here, because the road here is actually quite cool and there is no one, so everything is safe to do so. Obviously we're not doing anything on purpose, we're just sliding by mistake, let's put it that way, and that can obviously sometimes just happen. Here we go then. thing is, I really don't like sliding downhill. It's just not as much fun. So definitely gonna turn around, take this road the other way up, because for that it's literally perfect, as you can see. It's quite twisty. I'll see if Lewis wants to go up front so you guys can see him as well. Could be quite cool. So yeah, let's enjoy the drive. We've played enough now. Game time is over. We're gonna head towards cave now and see if we can possibly fit the front splitters ourselves. Well, the front splitter, rear diffuser, and I think one more part it was front splitter, rear diffuser, spoiler, and there's like an interior trim piece, but I'm not sure if I want to do that myself, to be honest, because I think you need to like take the navigation system out and stuff, and I don't trust myself doing that. So definitely not going to do that. So yes, let's see each other at cave. Okay guys, we are back at base now, which is very good. Got to move the GTR out the way to put the C63 on the lift so we can do the carbon parts. First of all, quickly gonna wash the car, and there's finally something I can show you now, which we all are quite proud of, to be honest. For a very long time we tried to find the best washing liquids, and we finally found them. Right here, we've partnered up with Fusion Skin. Link will be in the description. And right here, C-Class is clean. Time to take the AMG GTR off the lift. Let's go. Biggest shout out still to Twinbush. Without them, we wouldn't have the lift and we wouldn't be able to do this kind of stuff ourselves, or at least attempt to, and learn how to do it. So Twinbush, biggest thank you ever. So cool to have this in our garage and be able to do tire swaps, change stuff on the car. So very pleased with that. I think we're going to start with the rear diffuser. It looks the easiest to my eye, which does not mean a lot, but we're going to give it a try. So let's try to remove this rear diffuser. Again, for me, it's the first time I'm doing any of this kind of stuff, so wish me luck. So as we can see, the rear diffuser itself is kind of screwed in at a lot of places all around here. So what I'm going to do now is quickly unbolt everything. welcome to the next day, and yeah, I need to be honest and tell you guys I wasn't able to get it done. But that's not just my fault, it's also because I haven't gotten any instructions from Carbon Hilt. So it was quite hard to do it without anything. Try to look on YouTube, how to get the front splitter off, how to get the rear diffuser off and all that kind of stuff. Couldn't find anything proper, and as I don't want to break the car, I decided to take a chill pill, text Carbon Hilt, ask him, so he's coming next week. I just asked him for instructions, but he said he will come by and help me because I still want to do it myself. But definitely I don't want to break anything. So plan right now is to wait for him, but I think in general today was quite fun. Well, yesterday actually for me, because drifting is always a great thing to do. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, press the bell. Keep in mind, very shortly there will be content dropping about supercar camping. Take care.